So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the new fix. So this is a ground in there that needs to be grounded to the casing. And as you see on this one, this is power. That's power to the casing. And this is your motor here.
I put that on everything. I do what I want, say what I feel, make it surprise. I put that on everything.
So as you guys can see, I got the motor taken apart. It's all taken apart. All taken apart. You guys see these little things right here? I'm gonna show you all by putting it back together. So this was my problem here. I don't know if this is gonna work or not, but this is a ground that grounds to the casing that grounds here. So what I ended up doing was, I went to Menards and I'm going to put a new bolt and everything inside there since the old one has snapped off. As you guys can see, the solder has snapped off, and of course if I was to tighten this down, it wouldn't really get as tight as if it could if I was to use a nut and bolt. So that's the move and what I'm going to do. And you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna keep you guys going on through this whole thing. You see, I am in my basement. I am fixing it myself. And like I said, guys, you gotta try to do it yourself. So as of today, all the plow places are closed. So I'm going to fix it myself.
1 hour later.
So you guys see we back. Got everything all mounted in. As you guys can see, you got 2 screws that hold it to the actual casing itself. And then you got 2 wires that go on each side of the coil around the motor. And this is your ground casing that goes inside. This is our new bolt and nut that we just installed. You can see it's nicely tight. So hopefully that's going to fix our problem and we fix our ground wire inside in the casing. And guys, we're going to go ahead and go outside and put this bad boy back together and see what we get. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and y'all stay tuned. So I hope this video was helpful to those who like fixing things on themselves, especially for those that's in my situation that, you know, need to go out and need the truck working and there's no plow places open today, guys. So redid it all myself. Put a new nut in there, found the issue. Now let's just hope that it goes outside and everything works in my favor. I'm probably going to eventually keep me a motor on hand, guys, just in case. But as of right now, this seems to be fixed, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on the truck. As you guys can see, the plow is working. So only thing I gotta do now is as you guys want to see how to take the cover off here, you gotta put you a jack underneath the plow. You gotta remove the cotter pin in here and pull this forward so you can take the cover off. And to remove the motor, I got 4 bolts I gotta pull back. You got 2 on the back. You have 2 here and 2 bolts at the bottom.
A few moments later.
Oh boy, so y'all seen that situation, man. I hope this was helpful to y'all And if y'all at home like I was on a cold day and your plow broke, you can also be a master of your ability and fix it. So make sure y'all like, share, subscribe to the channel, and let's get it.
When God created me, he created his favorite. Say he ain't got favoritism. But nigga, I am the greatest. My thoughts are separated by how others be thinking. My story is inspirational. I am an inspiration from the bottom. I emerge like a phoenix from the ash.